In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the Chirp-Chirp meal habitat in Pokemon Pokopia. So you can see if we pull it up right here, this is the Chirp-Chirp meal habitat that you need to be able to get Torchic here, as you can see. So now to be able to actually make it, it's very easy. If you go to Bleak Beach here and then just run forward here, as you can see, you will be able to see the crafting table here as an example. And then if you just go forward a little bit, you can see the birdhouse right here. So we need the birdhouse and the table and the birdhouse is already here. By the way, the plate is going to be around this location right here. So just pick it up and put the plate on this table right here. Very, very easy. And then take a Lepa berry here that you can find on any trees and then place it right here. And by doing that, you will then be able to unlock the Chirp-Chirp meal habitat, and eventually you're going to also spawn this Pokemon right here, who is called Torchic, as you can see. And basically that is exactly how to make it.